This is a song I'm going to dedicate tonight to a good friend of mine from northern New South Wales, who is close to all our hearts because she is part of the Jammit family in New South Wales. They're a very similar group of people that get together and sing, and she's just about to depart to America for a life-saving operation on her sweet little head. And she's a very lovely, pretty little lady called Debbie. And she's got a lot of class because the man who does this song is one of her favourite artists. And we dedicate this to Miss Debbie Coogan. Everybody loves somebody sometime. Everybody falls in love somehow. Something in your face has told me, God, sometimes there's not. Everybody finds somebody someplace. There's no telling where love may be. There's something in my heart says my someplace to be. If I had it in my power, I'd write forever every song. When every hour, everyone found what I found. Oh, everybody loves somebody sometime. There's no telling where love might be. Somewhere in your heart you say my someplace is here. Somebody, someplace.